Everything on social media begins with being selfless. Everything. You know, I like to say that when you sign up for a social media account, you're being handed a microphone, but so is everybody else. Everyone's being handed a microphone. The question is, what do you do with it? 95% of the people that get handed that microphone go, ah, and they, you know, look at me, look at me, look at me, ah, and that becomes just a din, you know what I mean? Like it's like being next to power lines, like, and nothing comes through. You like that. Nothing comes through. If you're using that microphone to say, here's a really great piece of content that I found that I think you guys will like, engaging with somebody saying, thank you for sharing that piece of content. Thank you for being a part of my network. Hey, I really enjoyed that film you made and here's why. You're making it about other people. You're bringing value to other people. I always say there's 3 ways that you can, some people say like, I'm not good at social media, or I don't feel like I have a place on social media. And my answer is everybody has a place on social media, and here are your entry points, okay? Share content, be complimentary, okay? And be grateful. Those are the ways that you can get in, all right? Everyone is accessible on social media. If you're on Twitter, let's say, or even on Stage 32 for that matter, you can reach anybody at any time. But the difference between the people that are able to engage other people and those that get radio silence is approach. It's value. It's what you bring to the party. You have to come from a place of selflessness. And if you don't, you can expect that silence. And that's why so many people quit social media, because they don't get anything out of it, but they're not bringing anything. And you have to bring something. It's called social media, by the way, not me media.